They like what they see. In those moments before igneous eternity. Aren't all shells extinct trinkets? And fossils little calcified death threats? And you have objectified far more than me. Michelangelo knifed marble plagiarisms in Tuscany. Isn't that just like men hack a thing from a rib and pretend it's not them? Margaret Thatcher. We liked her. Self-made Gorgon, cast in iron, waged war on the miners who thought the rock was theirs. Sometimes when the cave is unenlightening, it echoes the sound of someone. Just a beetle scuttling. Sometimes I hear his voice again, mushy red, like Kronos swallowing his child's head.